Today we're going to be changing the blower motor resistor on our 2005 Ford Mustang. Our blower would only work on number 4 and not the other 3. So in order to get to our blower motor resistor, it's behind the glove box. And I'll show you where it is and then we'll start the procedure. It is behind the glove box and it is located right here. We bought our new part from AutoZone. So we're gonna put our new part in. The tools you'll need for this job is a ratchet, extension, and a socket, 7mm for the small screws, and an 8mm for the unit that we're gonna replace. First thing you have to do, we gotta get rid of the glove box. So we're gonna take out these 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 7mm. So we're just gonna have loosen these so it doesn't take too long for us to get them out. I already loosened that one. So now that you have those out, you can open up your glove box and push in the sides and take out your glove box. So we're going to get to our mechanism has 1 screw here and 1 right here. We have a ratchet, extension, and 8mm socket. Okay, so it was a little hard to get out, but once you get it out like that, then press this button and you can unplug it from there. Let's plug it in. And we'll reseat it. Okay, get that started. You know, you can't feel it, but it is working. The air is coming out, and of course it's working on high too. So that has fixed our problem. There we go. Once you get it in, close it, and then you can start putting your screws back in. And that's how you change the blower motor resistor on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.